Hello guys, today I will show you how to add or change your profile picture on REDnote app easy and quick. So open your REDnote first. After opening your REDnote, come here to your profile and click on it. So you just have to click here on this settings or here near to settings on your profile. So click here and it will take you to this page. Here your gallery. Here you can change the file. Just choose your file from here. Right now I will choose, for example, this picture. I will use it as my profile. Now click here to save. And that's it, it's loading. Right now it will change. So as you see, change it. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.